Taro guys, welcome back to another Sunday cooking episode here on our channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Special whātaro to our Ainga members. We are just here at Frankie's Supermarket, here at John Malala, just grabbing some stuff for our Sunday cooking tonight. So today we will be doing our usual umu, and then after that I need to do curry. I've also brought some Luau Mamoe, so I can use it for the luau as well, and also our ham. So the ham was given to us by my wife's sister, older sister, I think, who will be joining us for tonight today. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to check out our website. It's now up, samonfarmer.com. Grab yourself some merch for the family and send us some photos, guys, so that I can post it on our social media. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. Let's get started. Alright fam, so we're just quickly getting the umu out of the way. It's little after 8 and so running against time at the moment, but we're going to get it out of the way. Then after pusa the umu, quickly valu the kalo. Leuso's on the coconuts. I'm just trying to get everything ready and kau the umu before 9:30 or 10, so because I need to start on the other food. Alright, so now I need to scrape the taro. Guys, so we're just doing just quickly doing the luau. See, the umu there is almost time to be cooked. Chuko there just finishing off the breadfruit, but I'm just gonna quickly still doing two types of luau, one with coconut cream and then one with Luau Mamoe, only because I want to try the one with Luau Mamoe, but with coconut cream and a bit of chili and garlic.
And you know I won't let go.
Yeah, fai o fuau.
Oh no, wherever you go, I go.
Finished the Luau Mamoe, which is this one, and now we're going to quickly do the Luau Mamoe. Now this one's a bit different, only because I'm adding this. It's garlic pickled chili, or something along those lines, and I'll show you guys the final results after. Alright, so we've purposely left beside a bit of coconut cream here. A bit of coconut cream there. Add a bit of this. And now we're going to chop up the mamoe, and throw it in there.
The sun and moon burn so much brighter now, and the moonlight glows like fire now. All the years come up and go, all the seeds we plant, every stitch you sow, and you know I won't let go.
on fama mal au manga. What? Guys, so we're finally here in the kitchen. I'm just going to quickly charge my phone battery because it's about to die, and I'm going to cut the chicken for the time being, and then we'll catch up later. Alright fam, so the very fortunate that Loie was already finished chopping up the chicken, so everything's a bit quicker now. See the chicken there? Also got the potatoes done, so we're going to start on the curry. This is a different type of curry. I don't think I've shown this one before, but it's the way I do it. It might be wrong, but for me it's turned out fine so far. We've got the oil on high at the moment, and you can see it's starting to smoke up a bit, and this is the part where we start adding in our herbs and spices to the oil so that they make the oil fragrant. After that we add in the chicken, and then we cap it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then wait until the chicken's cooked or halfway cooked, and then we add the potatoes. So there's a shortage of onion and garlic at the moment at the shops. I'm not sure why, but it's okay. That's why I went and got the pickled garlic here with a bit of chili, I think. And we're gonna use this to fragrant the oil.
Yeah.
Quite fragrant at the moment, and now we're going to add the chicken inside. Just cap it and then give it 20 to 25 minutes, maybe 40 minutes depending, because we got a lot of chicken and it might take time to cook. And then we just leave it halfway around the time it takes to cook the chicken, then we throw in the potatoes. Alright guys, so we've just the chicken's about halfway cooked, and we're just going to add in the potatoes now, and then they'll all cook at the same time. Alright fam, so they're almost done, just the curry left and the ham. I think I haven't showed you the ham yet, but we're going to check out the Luau Mamoe we did and see how it's looking and also how it tastes. You guys can see there. Just place the taro on the side. Slowly open up this bad boy. Turn on the light for this one. Ooh. Ooh, so it's hot. Oh no. Look at that bad boy, guys. Gonna go do a taste test. Oh man, that's good. Oh man, how he man. Maybe a bit of salt, black pepper, but that's really good. Pastor, what? Ja. Geef ook maar koekoeken lang daar. Verkom ik hem. Hoe kan dat? Ja, maar ja. As I mentioned, this luau here was for the boys, and that's why I set it aside, but the other one for the konga is still there. And the boys are enjoying it. Alright, so the potato is now ready, and now we're going to start adding in the last bit, which is the curry, and then just a bit of cornstarch to thicken it up, and also the mixed veggie. Alright guys, so we finally come to the end of our episode. I'm going to show you guys the results. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as much as I did. And yeah, I'm very hungry now, so we're going to show you the results. Starting from this side, we've got our Luau Mamoe that we did with the Luau Mamoe, with the garlic and the chili, bit of spice, and the leftover coconut cream that was inside the kāngoa. Then we have our chicken curry there. Still hot, nice, and also a bit spicy. We've got our luau there, the pineapple that I did with the ham, the breadfruit, our ulu, our taro, and the ham. So yeah guys, this is a very nice spread, and very hungry now. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'm about to sign off now and enjoy tonight with the family. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Remember, our merch store is now up, so go on to SamoanFarmer.com, grab yourself a hoodie or shirt, our Crave Growth brand, and help support our journey. So gonna sign off. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode, guys. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. We'll see you guys soon.